Did you know there's more than one way to paint a landscape? Here are 7 beautiful landscape painting styles. Realism captures nature exactly as it appears, with lifelike details, accurate lighting, and natural colors. Impressionism uses loose brushstrokes and soft light to capture the feeling of a scene instead of every tiny detail. Abstract landscapes simplify nature into bold colors, shapes, and expressive textures. Atmospheric landscapes use mist, haze, and soft colors to create depth and distance. Minimalist landscapes focus on clean lines, simple compositions, and a limited color palette. Fantasy landscapes bring imagination to life with floating islands, glowing skies, and magical environments. Palette knife landscapes use thick paint and textured strokes to create bold mountains, forests, and dramatic skies. Every landscape style tells a different story. Which one inspires you the most? Let us know in the comments and follow for more painting inspiration.